Hello, my name is Chris Morrison with Huber Incorporated. I'm a precision ag specialist, and today we're going to talk about data management. And some of the stuff we offer here at Huber is we have 3 packages. We have a basic, an intermediate, and a deluxe. And what those packages include is, if you sign up for our basic plan, it's basically just a grower farm field structure for you to record good data. We come out in the wintertime, we'll sit down with you, we'll go over your grower farm field structure, we'll take SMS, we'll sit here, we'll build it, we'll name the fields on something you're comfortable with that you know you've got, that's tried and true in your combine, tractor, or sprayer. So once we get that set up, we'll take the USB stick, we'll go around to all your machines, whether it be you have a Pro 700, an FM 750, FM 1000, ag leader display, and then we'll set all your displays up the same, so then that you have a uniform data management across everything. We've got a lot of interest from our customers. I have probably 3 or 4 customers that have signed up for this data package. We have one that has signed up for the deluxe package. So we sat down in February, we built their grower farm field structure, and we put it in their Pro 700 to run their 1245 pivot transport planter. And then planted all their corn, all their soybeans, and once we got finished up with that, we took those planting maps and we redid the planting maps, and we did their fertilizer, and then put them into 2 books. So then what they did is, once they went to harvest their corn and soybeans, they knew where all the varieties were, they knew where the fertilizer was. So instead of having that confused FSA book with pencil marks and pen marks going every which way, they were able to tell right away. And I'm very honest with them, there are going to be bumps along the way. It's not going to be one-shot deal. I'll say one of the bumps we did run into is that when you split varieties in a 8 on one side, 8 on the other, you have to split the fertilizer 8 on one side and 8 on the other, even though it's 40 foot across the same. So we did run into some glitches and stuff that it's going to be a learning experience with as anything in data management. So. Some of the goals we want to set is that we want to be a processor of data. We want to process it. We want to help develop that data. I take recommendations from the customers, agronomists, which is in this area is CPS, Aurora, and Willards. Okay, and work with them. Hey, this is what we're planning with their pop-up, their potash, their fertilizer regimen. How can we take that and do, let's say, a seed prescription? Or how can we do variable rate fertilizer, variable rate side dress, and then build on that? Or a customer brings me their USB stick. Hey, I did some different fertilizer treatments, some different rates. Here's my USB stick out of the combine. Can you process that? Or the fact is that guys have 10 plus years of SMS data, and they want to generate those multi-year reports just to see how those fields done across the years and stuff like that. And sitting down and digging a little bit more deeper into the nuts and bolts of SMS, so you can utilize it better to create reports and everything, to utilize it to make better management decisions. So it's more on data processing than going out being an agronomist. Hey, this is making recommendations. I'd like to do more of the data process.